Hi everyone, today's craft is really simple. We're going to be taking a Target sled and decorating it. Stay tuned. Okay, so you'll need one wooden sled. This is out of the Target dollar spot. You'll need a set of wooden stars. You'll need some Christmas greenery. You'll also need a sponge brush. You'll need white paint, and you'll also need red paint. You'll also need some twine. So what we're going to do is start off with painting the wooden sled white. Okay, so once you've painted your wooden sled white, you'll want to make sure you painted the outside, and also it's optional, but you can paint the inside of your sled. We're going to go ahead and set that aside and allow it to dry, because it's likely that you'll need around 2 to 3 coats of paint to finish off your sled. Now we'll take the wooden stars and we're going to apply red paint onto the wooden stars. Okay, so this part is completely optional, but if you have any Christmas vinyl stickers, you can go ahead and apply those on the back side of your sled. I went ahead and I purchased this set. It came with 3 vinyl stickers from my local Michael's store. And I'm going to go ahead and apply this vinyl sticker on the back of my sled. Okay, so next we're going to take some of the twine and we're going to add a small amount of the twine on the side of the sled. So for this you will need some hot glue. Okay, so now you're ready to take your twine that you've already cut and add some hot glue onto the ends of your twine. And after you've done that, apply your twine onto your sled. So next, take your wooden stars and you're going to apply a small amount of hot glue on the back side of your stars. And then once you do that, you're going to apply your stars onto your twine. Okay, so if you have a few empty boxes around your home, what you can do is you can add some wrapping paper around the empty boxes, and you can also take some gift boxes and add some twine and greenery around your gift box. I figured I'd do this, and this will also be added into the sled. So next, take your greenery and go ahead and place that on the inside of your sled. After you've done that, go ahead and take your wrapped gifts and add those in as well. Okay, so this last step is completely optional, but if you have some LED mini lights, you can go ahead and take those and add them onto your sled. Okay, so your sled is now complete. I hope that you have enjoyed this DIY decorating craft. If so, I'd love if you gave this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and also welcome to all my new followers.